hot enough, hot enough. Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
Pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and as you can tell by today's title, it is a blowout tutorial. I got a lot of questions on TikTok and on Instagram about how I got this blowout. I did a middle part, so I'll show you that in a second. But how I did this blowout, and it's super easy, super cheap, super quick. You really only need 3 materials, honestly. If your hair's already straightened or blew out, whatever you want to call it, if it's already that, you really only need 3 things. So if you're interested, let me show you guys the middle part. Hold on. Show y'all the middle part. Y'all, the girl eats. It eats, y'all, it eats. Yeah, y'all, but if you guys want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this video if you want to keep seeing my face and you like my vibe. And now let's get into the video. Let's get into it. So first things first, are we liking the blue? I love the blue on me. It's a subtle little vibe. So first things first is I like to section my hair into around 3 different sections: the bottom layer, the middle layer, and then this little strip in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna use roughly around 13 rollers, maybe more, maybe less, we're gonna see. So we'll start with the bottom. I start maybe like an inch above my ear. And y'all, I found the key how to keep the clips in, which is like a main thing for me, because I used to never be able to keep the clips in my hair. Like I would move this way and it would literally fall out. So just tie this top part in a bun. You can really use any curling iron. I use this one I bought from like TJ Maxx or something. Hot Tools Professional. I know everyone has a really pretty aesthetic ceramic one, I think that's what it's called. And I personally want that one. I just have yet to get my hands on it yet. So I'm gonna wait for that to warm up and then we'll get to it. Y'all, all this stuff I got for pretty cheap. Like I got these rollers from like the beauty supply store for $3, I think. And they came in like a pack of 3 or 4. They came in a pack of 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair out while that's getting hot. I got a couple comments on how I did it. So I was like, might as well make a little video on it. Cause why the heck not, y'all? Let me pin this up a little bit just so it stays. That ain't gonna stay. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. So for the bottom, I'm gonna portion it off to 4 pieces or 4 sections, whatever you want to call it. I'm really bad with my words, y'all. Just try to keep up with me. We're here. So I'm gonna and sections are like this big. The sections, some will be big, some will be smaller. It is what it is. That's also kind of like what I like, because I don't want everything to be so uniform. You get what I'm saying? Let's see how hot this is. Ow, hot enough. Okay, so I normally do away from my face, and every other couple pieces I'll do towards, just to give that volume look. But for the ones in the front, I normally curl away from my face. And I know some people curl a different way, to each its own. However you feel comfortable curling your hair, that's all that really matters. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to do the clip out, curl method, obviously do that. But me, I get it to the end and I'll roll it up. That's just the easiest way for me, curling for dummies, how I'm gonna do it. So y'all, my background is just so dirty. It don't look like a child, but it is. Okay, so wait so I can feel it get hot. Now that I feel like my hair's about to burn out, I'll just unravel. Look at that curl, y'all. It's so pretty, but we ain't done. Just roll it upwards, like not to the side, not anywhere else. I roll it up. The key to letting it stick to your head is clip at the scalp, y'all. Now look, we ain't going nowhere. We could do whatever we want. We can go take a nap. Obviously not take a nap, but you get what I'm saying? Like it's not moving and you're not having to worry about it going anywhere. So now for the next piece, do the same freaking thing. This is a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna speed through the rest of this and then I'll show you the next sections. I'll come back and talk to you for the next section. So
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go Sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me.
I want to leave out enough space because I like, hold on, I have to show you guys. Okay, so I like to have enough room to go like this big right in the middle. You get what I'm saying? So I'm only gonna take this side, that much on this side, and then that much on this side. I think I only want to take like 2 sections for these 2 down here. Yeah, I'm also filming for like TikTok and stuff for this video, so I'm gonna have a timestamp at the end of how long this took me. I'm gonna minus the time that it took for me to go turn on some TV for my daughter because it's supposed to be her nap time and she's not asleep, so I'm gonna speed this up.
Yeah. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Way that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
I had to move y'all because my camera's acting weird about God knows what. So let me see if I can switch y'all up a little bit. I don't know if that's better or not. Y'all let me know. I had to switch it around because I guess my camera was too close to my mirror, child. I don't know. So but anyway, we're done with the salve. Again, I gotta dock off time for that because obviously that cut into like 3 minutes of my time. I'm almost done, y'all. And my camera with putting my daughter's TV on right now and stuff like that, it's only at 10 minutes. Wild. This is gonna be such a short video and I love that for us because long videos just tend not to do well. People don't be paying attention. So yeah. Get it done. It's hot enough. Y'all, I don't know what kind of curling iron this is, but y'all, it's hot. It's very, very hot. I like to lick shots. Time to see you dance. Hey, girl, are you frontin'? Right. Time to lick shots. To see you dance. Hey, girl, are you frontin'? Sometimes when I won't get those end pieces over your hair, just wrap it a couple times and then let it loose a tiny bit and then keep rolling just so it like catches like the very ends. Like some obviously are not because my hair is layered. If your hair isn't layered, it probably should be fine, but since your girl's hair is, it just some pieces. Oh, that looks crazy. I'll just curl that one. It'll look crazy later. Who got and the good thing about this hairstyle is if you have like a couple stragglers like these, it really doesn't matter because the hair's like not curled. It's still kind of straight, but more of like a voluminous straight. You get what I'm saying? So 1 or 2 little stragglers ain't gonna kill you, child. Now, last but not least, and we're only 15 minutes in. Don't forget to comb it out before you do it. Oh God. Yeah, I just recut my hair. Look how healthy. Anyway, so these pieces are gonna be a tiny bit smaller because I have a little bit smaller rollers for these. So it's gonna be a tad smaller. And these, again, don't care which way you turn them. So those are green ones, and then I have these little ones. And then in the very front, I'm gonna use this big boy. These are always like the hardest ones for me though, because I can barely see. Again, all this not gonna be perfect because I have pretty thick hair. It's not gonna like look perfect, and it really doesn't have to look perfect. No one's gonna see you these but you and whoever you dating, if need be. Like, I mean, or your friends. It do not have to be perfect. As long as they come out good, child. I don't care how you look. You're doing it. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. And I think I have the perfect amount of rollers too. I think I have 1 extra, but other than that, I ain't got none. Y'all, I think we're gonna be able to do this in under 20 minutes.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mom. mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue.
Last one. Yeah, we're on our last one, and we officially hit, it's really like 18 minutes, but on my phone it says 19, but I've had to do a couple things in the middle. But 18-minute process, that ain't bad. And we have to let these sit and cool. Yeah, this took us 20 minutes. I like to sit and let mine cool, set in, do their thing, do their best life. So I'm gonna let it do that. Why does it look? I'm gonna let them do that or whatever. And I'll be back in roughly like 30 minutes to an hour, maybe an hour. And I'll be back and I will show you guys taking it out and the final result. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour, so let's take these babies out. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. I don't know if it gives a reason. I always think like just got started there, that it gives these a little bit of second to, you know, to develop. And I just take I put 2 fingers in here, hold with this, and then just like wrap. I'm just let it sit. I'm gonna let it sit, y'all. Now I'm gonna do the rest for the back.
Rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you.
Alright, that's the bottom layer. I'm telling y'all, ever since I found out how to do this the right way, I'll never go back to the other way.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mom.
Sorry, the light's changing. It's getting like dark outside, so my bad, y'all.
Me come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me.
Last but not least, this is what counts. So let's see. Okay, now we're gonna bend down, shake them out, and we're gonna see. And make a middle part. You really can part it however you want. I'll show you the different parts in a minute. Y'all see how pretty and like effortlessly that eats? That's just so pretty. I love this method, y'all. It's so easy. Anybody can really do it. Like, it's just, it's giving 90s blowout. So let's see it with a side part. Come on. Doesn't it just eat? Oh my God, hold on. See the other side? It's just such a cute little hairstyle for anybody. But yeah, y'all, I love this. It's super easy, super affordable. I got my clips. You can get them from the beauty supply store too. I got my clips from Target, my rollers from the beauty supply store, and my curler wand from TJ Maxx. So anybody can really do this. But yeah, y'all, that is it for the video. This is a perfect hairstyle for date night, girls night, solo dates, whatever you really want to do, or just if you want to feel cute. It's a simple, easy, quick slay. So again, I hope you guys like this hairstyle. I hope it was easy enough to follow through. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.